video looks at the differences between cross-cultural and intercultural approaches to communication in organizations. Let's start with the cross-cultural approach, which compares communication styles across different cultures. Researchers and communication experts use this approach to study how different cultures perceive and express emotions, engage in social interactions, and structure their linguistic communication. They look at nonverbal cues and behavioral patterns to see how different cultures affect communication. This helps organizations operating internationally to develop communication strategies that respect and engage with diverse cultural norms. Imagine this scenario. A tech company is launching a new app in 3 different markets: the United States, Japan, and Brazil. Before the launch, researchers study how each culture uses technology and social media. They discovered that in the US, users prefer apps with numerous features and direct interactions, while in Japan, users value privacy and minimalistic design, and in Brazil, social sharing capabilities are crucial. Based on these insights, the app is customized for each market to ensure it meets local preferences and cultural norms. The intercultural approach differs from the cross-cultural approach by focusing on the real-time communication between people from different cultures. It leverages knowledge from various cultures to understand and manage these interactions, aiming for practical outcomes such as conflict resolution, teamwork, and negotiation to enhance communication across cultural boundaries. How might this work in practice? Here's an example. At a multinational corporation, team members from China, Germany, and Mexico collaborate on a project. To smooth communication, the team leader holds a session to discuss each culture's approach to workplace communication and decision-making. The Chinese team prefers consensus and indirect feedback. Germans value directness and efficiency, and Mexicans emphasize personal relationships and flexibility. Understanding these preferences, the team adapts their communication styles, improving project coordination and reducing misunderstandings. There are 2 main ways of studying culture and communication: positivist and interpretivist. The positivist paradigm looks for ways to explain communication process through observable, measurable outcomes. It assumes that researchers can remain neutral and detached, aiming to produce data that can be used in different cultures. The interpretivist approach looks at communication behaviors through qualitative methods. This approach looks closely at how different cultures interact, whether comparing different groups cross-cultural or looking at how individuals from different backgrounds interact intercultural. It provides insights into how communication is perceived and enacted across cultural boundaries. Integrating both cross-cultural and intercultural approaches can greatly enhance organizational practices. For example, insights from cross-cultural analysis can help organizations manage intercultural interactions and improve team cohesion. Multinational corporations can adapt their internal communications and conflict resolution strategies to accommodate their employees' diverse cultural backgrounds. To sum up, cross-cultural and intercultural communication are useful for academics and professionals who want to understand how organizations interact in different cultural environments. Understanding these approaches helps them manage and use cultural diversity in multinational teams. Thank you for your attention.